Hello students, welcome to my channel Classmate. Today we will discuss more about the equivalent fraction. Okay, so let's start. Equivalent fraction and its higher terms. How? We start with a simple example. You take just one fractional number 2 by 3. So it is written in its lowest term. There is no common factor in between this numerator and denominator. Then how we will write its equivalent fractions? Just in the second term you write down 2 into 2 by 3 into 2. That means double of this fraction. Here we multiply by 2 in the numerator and denominator both. Then you multiply 2 into 3 by 3 into 3. Then 2 into 4 by 3 into 4, 2 into 5, 3 into 5, in this way. Okay, so it will convert to 2 by 3 comma 4 by 6 comma 6 by 9 comma 8 by 12 comma 10 by 15. All these are equivalent fractions. Understood? So when any fraction is given and said to find out the equivalent fractions, then you multiply this fraction at first by 2, both in upper and lower portion multiplied by 2. That means the numerator and denominator both. Then in the third term you multiply both by 3, in fourth both by 4, fifth both by 5, in sixth it will continue 2 by 3 multiplied both numerator and denominator by 6. Just you take second example. Here the fractional number is given 3 by 8 and it is said that to find out its fourth and fifth equivalent fraction. Okay, now the same procedure. In the second you have to multiply 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 8 into 3, 4, 3 into 4, 8 into 4, 3 into 5, 8 into 5. That are the 2, 4th and 5th equivalent fraction. So what are these? 3 by 8 comma 6 by 16 comma 9 by 24 comma 12 by 32 comma 15 by 40. These two are fourth and that is the fifth equivalent fraction. Understood? I hope all of you understood. If you have any problem regarding this, you must write down on the comment section. Now today we will know how to convert an improper fraction into mixed number. Our second topic, conversion of improper fraction into mixed number. Okay, you know what are the improper fraction? The fraction which have the denominator greater than the numerator greater than the denominator. That means 11 by 7, 15 by 9, 21 by 2. All are this improper fraction. Okay, now how we convert this fraction into a mixed number? Mixed number, what are the mixed number? Which contain whole with a proper fraction, that are called the mixed number. So let's see. At first you take the first one, 11 by 7. Then here you divide 11 by 7. So 1, 7, it is 4. You write down 1 as whole number and at the numerator you write down 4 and you write down 7. So this improper fraction is written in form of mixed number. Just you take the second number 15 by 9. Here you convert divide 15 by 9, 9 6. So you 1 by 1 is the whole 6 by 9. So it is also written in form of mixed number. Third, 21 by 2. So 21 divided by 2, 1. So here quotient is 10, 1 by 2. So these three improper fractions are written in form of mixed number in this way. Simply you have to divide this number by divide the numerator by the denominator. The quotient is written as in the whole number and the remainder written in the numerator, and the denominator will be same. Okay, I hope all of you understood this. Now we learn the reverse procedure, how to convert a mixed number into the improper fraction. Of mixed number into improper fraction. How we write down this? Just take one of them. Just you take this third number. If we write down this fraction 10 as a whole 1 by 2, first example 10 as a whole 1 by 2. Then how we'll convert this mixed number into improper fraction? Simple process. You have to multiply the whole number by the denominator and then you have to add the numerator. Okay, that means the formula is whole number multiplied by the denominator, then you have to add the numerator and the denominator will be same. Okay, so 10 into 2, 20 plus 1 by 2, that means 21 by 2. Similarly, if it is written 17 1 by 3, then how you convert this mixed number into the improper fraction? How? Simple procedure. 17 into 3 plus 1 by 3, that means 51 plus 1 by 3. Okay, that means 52 by 3. That is the improper fraction. I hope all of you understood how to convert the mixed number into the improper fraction and improper fraction to the mixed number. Okay, now we will learn how to write down any fraction into its lowest form. That is also very simple thing. Student, all of you learn it properly. Lowest form. What is lowest form? Lowest form is the form in which if we write any fraction, then there will be no common factor of the numerator and denominator, such that if I write down any fraction 2 by 3, then 2 is the numerator, 3 is the denominator. In between 2 and 3 there are, that means for 2 and 3 there are no common factor. Okay, no common factor except 1. We does not take 1 other than 1. Okay, then that is written in the lowest form. Just if we write down the higher form of this, then how we write down? Just similar to the equivalent fraction. The highest form of these are 2 into 2, 3 into 2. That means 4 by 6, one of the higher form. 2 into 3 by 3 into 3. That means 6 by 9, also one of the higher form of this. 2 into 4 by 3 into 4. 8 by 12, also the higher form of the fraction 2 by 3. That all are the higher form of the fraction 2 by 3. Now, if any of this higher form is given in the exam and said to write down this fraction into the lowest form, then how you write down this? Such that if 8 by 12 is given and it is said that you write down this lowest form of this fraction, then you divide both the numerator and denominator by the common factor. At first, you divide both of these are divisible by 2, 4, 6. Now 4, 6 also divisible by 2. So we get 2 and 3. So we get the lowest form 2 by 3 as because there is no common factor of 2 and 3. So that is the lowest form. If you divide all these 4 by 6, 6 by 9, you get at last this fraction 2 by 3, which is the lowest form of this. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Now we will know about the shortest method to find out the lowest form. By divide the both numerator and denominator by its HCF, such that you take the fraction 12 by 16. That is not written in its lowest form, as because there are lots of common factor of 12 and 16. So if we divide this by the common factors such that we divide 12 and 16 by 2, then we get 6 by 8. Okay, again 6 and 8 is divisible by 2, 3 by 4. Okay, this 3 by 4 is the lowest form of this fraction, But how we will divide this fraction in such a way that once we divide this, we will get this directly 3 by 4 by dividing HCF, of the numerator and denominator. Okay, just to find out the HCF of 12 and 16. The HCF of 12 and 16 is, what is the HCF of this? You have to apply this method. 12, 16, you divide this by 2 at first, then we get 6 and 8, then again you divide. In this way you have to divide both the number by the same factor. Okay, 2, 3 and 4. Now there are no common factor by which we can divide these two, so you have to multiply these two and we get 4. So the HCF is 4. Now you have to divide 12 and 16 by 4, so we get 3 by 4. That is the lowest form. So today we will learn about the lowest form, how to find out the lowest form of any fraction by dividing the HCF of numerator and denominator both. I hope all of you understood this. If there is any problem regarding this, you must mention the comment section, and if you are new in the channel, then you must click on the red subscribe button. Okay, click on that. Okay, all of you, bye.